Welcome to this screencast, where we'll explore how Kopia, an open source backup solution, can be a game changer for small businesses looking to secure their data. Today, we'll demonstrate how to use Kopia to back up a standard Ubuntu server setup, including Docker volumes, to Amazon S3 cloud storage. Imagine you're running a small online platform with your Ubuntu server at its heart. Your server has critical data, including customer information, product databases, and other records. Losing this data could be catastrophic for your business. That's where Kopia comes in. It's a tool designed to provide robust, secure, and efficient data backup. Let's dive in. First, we initialized a new repository. A repository in Kopia is where your encrypted snapshots will be stored. For our example, we used Amazon S3, a reliable and scalable cloud storage solution. We'll configure Kopia with the necessary credentials to access our S3 bucket. Security is paramount, so rest assured that Kopia encrypts your snapshots before they leave your computer, ensuring that your data is secure in transit and at rest. Next, we'll set up our backup policies. Kopia allows you to define how often snapshots are taken and how long they are kept. For a small business, this means you can tailor your backup schedule to your needs without overburdening your server or incurring unnecessary costs. Now, we'll select the files and directories we want to back up. For our server, this includes Docker volumes where our application data resides. Kopia makes it easy to include these volumes in our backup plan, ensuring that all aspects of our server are protected. With our policies set and our directories selected, we'll take our first snapshot. Kopia efficiently creates a point-in-time record of our data. Subsequent snapshots will only upload the changes, saving time and bandwidth. This incremental approach is ideal for small businesses that need to operate continuously without disruption. As Kopia works its magic, you'll see how it maintains a set of historical snapshots. This feature is crucial for data recovery. Should the worst happen, you can restore your server to a specific point in time, minimizing data loss and downtime. Finally, we'll demonstrate the restore process. It's simple and quick, ensuring that your business can get back on its feet with minimal fuss. We can select a snapshot from our repository and restore it or mount it to your server. And that's Kopia in action for small businesses. With its encryption, incremental backups, and easy-to-use interface, Kopia ensures that your data is safe, secure, and recoverable. Whether it's customer records, transaction data, or application files, Kopia has got you covered. So why not give it a try and see how it can help protect your business's most valuable asset, its data. Thank you for watching this screencast. Stay safe and secure with Kopia and manage self-hosting with Formable.